I'm back with another video with a t-shirt review which I got it from Myntra. There's basically three hoods and two gym wears. This is the first time I'm getting it from Myntra, so I am going to give a detail about the size, fit, price, color, material, whatever possible I can give it, and what price I have got it than the MRP. Before wasting the time, let's start it. Before doing any review, I just want to inform that if in case I'm missing some price, size, anything of that sort to take it, I will put it in the video. This side, this somewhere here will be there. Okay, so let's start with the review. So this is the first t-shirt which I wanted to give the review. This is from the Gritstones. Size is medium, and this is a yellow colored block hood t-shirt, and its MRP was showing 999, that is 999, which I got it for 399 rupees, and the size is of medium, as I have said. Fitting, I'll show it to you in the photograph or wear it and show it to you in detail. Material is quite thin compared, you can't wear it for the winter or something of that sort, but there's a nice hood and the color is excellent. It is almost the same as what I've seen it in the picture, and it is a good hood to wear. Especially I think it can be worn for the both too fair people and a bit dark also, because the color combination is as such, so it can highlight the person in both the way. I find it better. That's what the reason I wanted to take this. Yes, you're right. So this is the second t-shirt which I want to review. It's again a Gritstones. Size is medium. This has got a olive green ombre effect from dark to light green, and the MRP is of 999, and what I have got it for 399. That's 400 rupees. The material is same as thick as the previous one which I've showed, which I've not very thick to wear it for a cold place. It is okay, but the color combination is very nice, especially for the fair skin tone people, and it's a very good fit also, little bit stretchable, so if anyone has a good physique, it falls on your skin, you know, it just stick to your skin very nicely, and the feel of the material is also very nice compared to the rest of two hoods which I have got it. And this I have seen it in Myntra with the same color, probably a little brighter, which I have seen it in the Myntra photo, and this has come in little lighter shade, olive green it has come. That is all I think I can explain about this hood. Size is medium, which I have told you already, and this one, it's from the Maniac brand. Size is again the medium, and MRP is of 1399, and I got it for 499 rupees. This t-shirt is a bit disappointing for me, as if you go through the site you can see, and in the camera also you might see, it's very colorful, because I have taken a video shot prior to that photo shoot, so I could see it's very colorful, but the white part is very dull. When you see in real, the white part is very dull. I don't know whether you can see it or not. The red and the black combination doesn't match with the white. I personally find this white could have been a little more thicker clothes should have been worn, because there is a stitching part of black inside, black cloth is inside. The white makes even more dull from outer side. So I think they could have put a thick white cloth additional to it. I think the material is thin, and material is very good though, but only the white part I am a little disappointed with. When I booked in Myntra, I first booked all the t-shirts after seeing this t-shirt on the site. So I was attracted with this t-shirt, but this is what disappointed me a bit. However, this is a good t-shirt for this price. As you can see, the back side, there's only one color it is. Fitting is excellent, no doubt about fittings and all that. Size is medium again. What more I can say? Only the white part is a little bit dull. That is disappointing me now. Yes, you're right. Here comes the gym wear. This is HRX round neck rapid dry t-shirt. This I bought it for the gym purpose, workout purpose. Very good material, gets dry very fast. This is large size. I should have taken a medium size for my physique. Should have fit my body properly. MRP I don't really remember, but its online price is 364 rupees, and very good material. In fact, I should say, how much ever you work out, how much ever you stretch, and what kind of sweat you are going through, functional training, doesn't matter to this. It's very nice fit. HRX always, after me buying this, HRX being my favorite brand so far, it fits our budget also, especially for a gym wear. HRX is excellent. I don't think I need to explain much about HRX. So everyone is by now done with know about what HRX is. That is about this t-shirt. I personally believe that I should have taken a medium size. It is 100% polyester. As you know, that's a Hrithik Roshan's brand, and he himself is into fitness, so I'm sure he'll give a 100% focus on what kind of clothes need to be made for gym purpose as well. That's all. This is another HRX t-shirt. This is a round neck grey advanced rapid dry t-shirt. It is. This is a medium fit, 100% polyester. This fits me really good, since it's a medium size compared to the large size. This is also a gym wear, and I have bought it for 479 rupees, if I'm not wrong. MRP, I removed the tag out, so I don't have the MRP with me. So I'll just put it somewhere here in the video. Even my wife bought HRX brand for her gym, as a gym wear for her gym to work out, and this is very cool to wear. In fact, I don't know, this material has a cool feel. Whenever you wear it, you don't feel that when you wear it, the hot place and sweat is there, the itching thing is not there. So some kind of dryness is added to this cloth. However, it is a polyester, 100% polyester. It's HRX active section it comes, so you can see it. This is also very nice t-shirt. I like it. There was no other color combination for me that time available, so that's the reason I have taken this. I could have preferred a different color though. Very nice review I have to say about this t-shirt also. So MRP I'll put somewhere in the video. Alright guys, this is our pet Angel. This is a Chihuahua, and she also has a page. It's called Angel at Chihuahua 1 in Instagram. Do follow her on Instagram, and I'll put the link below. And please do like and share to everyone, and only you guys can help us make more reach to everyone. So Angel, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. That's all about the t-shirts review from the Myntra haul. I should come soon with a few more clothes with their reviews as well. Till then, please do like, subscribe and share our videos also. And by the way, anything if I'm missing it, I will put all that in the description box below. please go through that and click the link. You'll get all the details. If the MRP are missing, the size, the fitting, anything, whatever it is you wanted to know, I'll try to put everything as possible, and I will see you soon, and that's all about it.